Most small business apps die after launch. Here's how one simple banner can quietly revive yours every single day. You know how apps start strong, then go quiet? Customers stop opening because nothing ever changes. But what if your app felt alive, like it had a new deal or reason to tap in every time they opened it? That's exactly what a dynamic offer banner does. No rebuilds, no dev team, just fresh energy that keeps people coming back. A banner would look something like this. It would just pop up instantly when the user opens up the app, and it would just have some sort of an offer, double loyalty points today only on all drinks, something like that. Let me just show you. If I'm just going to swipe up and just start over again, this is how you just see it. Let's just have another one. Double loyalty points. Yeah, I have a few on the back end. This is just dummy data, of course, but this is how it would look like. Now, why is this custom banner so important? Well, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why it is going to boost your sales. First of all, it keeps the app alive in the customer's mind. So most small business apps, they just go stale. They just have the same pages and content in their application. It's not dynamic, and it's just going to be stale. Users are not going to be interested. They already know what's inside, so they are not going to come back. Second, it promotes time-sensitive deals instantly. So you don't need to push another build to the App Store for it to being approved, and that could take days also. So this is not ideal. Instead, what you want to have is these banners that are kind of instantly refreshing whenever you have a new deal. 2 for 1 muffins today, happy hour, 8 till 10 a.m. That is really time sensitive. And with these dynamic banners, it can be done easily. Now, number 3, turn idle traffic into instant revenue. Let's say your user is just hanging around in your app and comes to this particular page. Well, by surfacing these deals, they are going to be one tap away from just making a purchase. Okay, number 4, trains users to check the app for new offers. Once users know that they do have this banner on top and it's just going to refresh each and every time they open up the app, they are going to come back over and over again for these offers. And that's a huge thing to do. Many, like I don't know the percentage, but like I could just guess like 95% of apps are just being downloaded and then never to return to them again. Finally, number 5 gives you measurable marketing data. You can track links, you can track purchases coming from those links. Analytics can be custom tailored to your own needs, and this is a goldmine for making getting to know your users better. Okay, so this is my current banner right over here. It's fine, but it's nice. It's not that good looking. So on the coding part, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to just customize this in just a few lines of code. So let me just open up Xcode. And you see, here are my offers. This is just dummy data. Make sure to check out the link in the description if you want me to build out these types of apps for your business. So let's just scroll down. And first of all, I'm just going to replace this red background color, this kind of card. It's going to have these edges. I want to change that and also the color. So I'm going to comment this out and let's just add a linear gradient. And we are going to use the one with the colors, start point and end point. So the colors, I just want this kind of pinkish start and then all the way down to be orange. So let's have an array right over here. Let's see. We are going to have color dot system. Let's see. Oh, it's right over here. Dot system pink. There we go. And that will be an array. And then color dot system orange. Where is the orange? Come on, there we go. System orange. Start point. Let's start at the top leading, and then endpoint dot bottom trailing. Okay. And yeah, let's just see how this looks like. We're going to have a major difference already. Build and run. Let's just see it. Really, really nice. Okay. But as I told you, I don't really like these edges. So what I'm going to add is an overlay. Overlay with a content. And this content will be a rounded rectangle with a corner radius. Let's just have a corner radius of 24, for example, and then the corner style. Continuous, I'm just going to go with a continuous. That's the default one, by the way, but circular is just going to have a circular rounded edges. I want to have them as we have it on the app icon, so it's not actually a circle. Okay, and let's just add also a stroke. So stroke border, and we want to have the one with the style. Let's just have dot white with an opacity. Yeah, that's fine, 0.3, and then line width of 1. Okay, let's just wait for that. Let's just see. We want to add in here. Oh, we want to remove the style. Yeah, we don't need that. Okay, so let's build and run and see how that looks like. We should see these around. There we go. I don't know if you can just notice them over here, but we still have some issues right over here with these corners. So we want to clip away these. And what we can do is just go all the way down to the Z stacks and just add it right over here. So we're going to have a clip shape. And let's just choose this one with the style to rounded rectangle with a corner radius of 24, and then the style would be continuous. Let's just have, we want the style, on the corner, on the rounded rectangle. So style dot continuous. The same that what we did right over here. Okay, let's just build and run one final time, and let's see how this is shaped out. Much nicer, as you can see. I really like this a lot. So let's just take a look at another animation. So start over again. Oh, it's the same. Yeah, it's just choosing random ones in our case. So there you have it. You have your very own banner on top of your products list. Now, if you want me to build out your custom app, go ahead and check out the link in the description.